Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Sharma, Faculty of Mathematics at SRN International School, situated at Jagatpura, Jaipur. I welcome you all on the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In today's podcast, we are going to understand the topic of mathematics of grade 11th NCERT, Chapter 12, Three-Dimensional Geometry. So let's begin with the topic. The first topic of the three-dimensional geometry is Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. When we are dealing with the topic of three-dimensional geometry, the few of the basic terminologies which comes into our mind are coordinate axis, coordinate of the point, and name of the octants. To understand these terminologies, we will take the example of our real life. In real life, we need three numbers representing the perpendicular distance of the point from the three mutually perpendicular planes, namely the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. The three numbers representing the three distances are called the coordinates of the point with reference to the three coordinate planes. So, a point in space has three coordinates. Now consider three planes intersecting at a point O, such that these three planes are mutually perpendicular to each other. These three planes intersecting along the lines x dash ox, y dash oy, and z dash oz are called the x, y, and z axes respectively. We can also recall that to locate the position of the point in a plane, we need two intersecting mutually perpendicular planes in the three-dimensional geometry. These lines are called the coordinate axes, and the three planes having the numbers are called the coordinates of the point with respect to axis. These lines are called the coordinate axis, and the three plane numbers are called the coordinates of the point with respect to axis. When three mutually perpendicular planes intersect each other, then 8 octants are formed. Now we are going to understand the distance between the 2 points concept. In three-dimensional geometry, we can calculate the distance of the point P with the coordinates x1, y1, z1 and q, x2, y2, z2 by using the distance formula concept. According to the distance formula concept, the distance between the 2 points P, x1, y1, z1 and q, x2, y2, z2 can be calculated by using the formula d is equals to square root of difference of x coordinate whole square added difference of y coordinate whole square added to difference of z coordinate whole square. Now we are going to understand the concept of distance of a point from the axis. Let's randomly select a point P in a three-dimensional geometry having its coordinate as x, y and z. Now when we want to calculate the distance of this point P from x-axis, then it is going to be represented as PA, and it can be calculated by the formula as square root of y square plus z square. Similarly, if we want to calculate the distance of this point P from y-axis, then it can be calculated by using the formula square root of z square plus x square. And likewise, we can calculate the distance of point P from z-axis also by using the formula as square root of x square plus y square. Now we are going to discuss about section formula. The concept of section formula is used when we want to calculate the coordinates of the random point which is present on the line joining the points A and B in such a way that the point P is dividing the line joining the points A and B in the ratio of m:n. By using the concept of section formula, the x coordinate of point P can be calculated as mx2 plus nx1 whole upon m plus n. Similarly, the y coordinate of point P can be calculated by using the formula my2 plus ny1 whole upon m plus n. In exactly similar manner, we can calculate the z coordinate of the point P by using the formula mz2 plus nz1 whole upon m plus n. I hope you all have understood the topic really well. If you find this podcast interesting and helpful, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.